This is a quick video on how to unlock your 4x4. 2006 Mercedes E350 4Matic from park and into neutral. If your car's battery is dead, and if you do not have the key, you can use a flathead screwdriver to open the gear shifter bezel trim. You can remove the bezel trim. Locate the shifter lever right here. Press the lever like this and move your gear shifter into neutral. Now you can move or tow away your car like this. Do not forget that if you tow it like this, it can possibly damage your transfer case. This is a 4x4 all-wheel drive. This car had a problem that it would not move. The car would turn on and go into gear, but it would not move. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more fascinating insights.